with this phone. It's quite a meaty box. So yeah, so the first thing and an interesting good news for people is that you are getting a transparent case. So the moment you buy this Oppo A31 smartphone, you're going to get this case inside the box, and you can use it because it's a safety measure. So let's say if you're not very confident of using a phone without a case, this case, at least in the short term, will help you make sure that you feel secure in terms of using it without fearing of it dropping out of your hands or like breaking apart. You have the SIM ejector pin. This basically is the gateway for you to start using a phone. So let's say if you want to install the SIM and the micro SD card and like dual SIMs, if you want to install, you need this. So just make sure that you use this to open the SIM ejector slot, and then just put in your SIM cards and the micro SD card for whichever purpose that you like. In addition to that, you have the user manual. User manual is basically to get you started in terms of how you sign up with your Google ID on this phone, and then what all apps you can install and what is compatible with this phone, and the safety measures. So like how you should not be using phone while charging it. So all those kind of safety measures are given. And yes, you also have the warranty card, which is also there and giving you assurance that let's say if you have any issues with the phone and if something happens, then Oppo will make sure that you get all the necessary benefits if you are eligible for that in that case. Now let's go to the main part of this whole thing. This is the phone. So this is the Oppo A31, and as we mentioned, this is the mystery black variant. You have a certain details mentioned on this flap screen itself, and it talks about again AI triple camera, water drop screen, and large battery, and 3 card slot for more storage. So that basically is 2 SIM slots and 1 micro SD card slot for storage expansion. Now this is the phone. It's got a tall screen profile as we mentioned, and it's got a vertical triple AI camera, and the mystery black variant, it has a glossy design, so it's reflective in terms of what you can see. So it's not exactly textured finish. It's got a nice glossy finish to it. It's all plastic built, and the unibody design means that it flows through and the battery is non-removable. So this is the smartphone itself, and apart from that, what you also get inside the box is this white color travel adapter. This supports charging output up to 5 volts. So what you get is a regular USB slot, wherein which you can use this white color USB cable neatly wrapped inside the box as well, and you can use it to charge the phone as well as for data transfer as well. So this is basically a micro USB port that you get with the A31, and you can use it to charge this battery that you get inside the phone. So yeah, so that's what you get with this smartphone. So there you have it. What you get with the Oppo A31 is the adapter, the USB cable,